can I say the phrase, I'm back! What's up guys? It is I again, Joseph, for another video. Alam nyo guys, 3 years po akong nawala because nag-board exam ako, nag-teach ako, and then nag-nursing ako. And grabe talaga guys, marami ng mga plot twists ko from the last 3 years. And ngayon lang talaga bumalik ang gana ko mag-vlog because may ganap kami for tomorrow. And I'm taking advantage po of this opportunity to prepare and study. Mag-study acquaintance ugma! No, sa nakadong! Hoy, nalang jud ni mo dong. No, sa. So kidding. Guys, kidding aside, I would like to take this opportunity rin po to apologize sa inyong lahat na hindi po ako nakapag-post ng maraming videos for 3 long years. Ulitin ko po. Kasi marami talagang nangyari sa buhay ko for the last 3 years. Nag-board exam ako, nag-teach ako, and then nag-nursing ako ngayon. And sobrang busy ko talaga this past 3 years. Pero ngayon, I would love talaga to go back sa aking pag-content creation and baka mag-workout ulit. Honestly rin po, medyo napabayaan ko na rin yung dati kong workout routines kasi ay kita naman sa mukha ko, medyo I gained weight na and I am almost 60 kilos na ngayon. I forgot when was my last weigh-in. Wala akong ibang sasabihin here, but I guess mag-vlog na lang ako about preparation for the upcoming. A. Upcoming. B. Incoming. C. I'm coming. D. Ding Dong Dantes. Guys, time check po. It's 7:35. It's Saturday. Yeah. And tomorrow is our acquaintance party. Yeah. Hindi ko po in-adjust yung date and time nung nasa laptop ko ha. Walang eme yon. So, tomorrow na talagang acquaintance. And meron naman po akong naisip na isusuot kasi ang theme ng acquaintance party namin would be Dark Academia. Para ganyan sa Harry Potter good ang tirada good ana. I would love talaga na magsuot ako ng suit, coat, and then basta anything. Pero ang point ko here would be naka gray and black ako kasi I really love talaga everything black aside sa violet na favorite color ka talaga, top tier of all the colors. And wala rin po kaming ibang naisip kundi bumili ng mga damit pero naka-budget kasi grabe talaga yung contribution is hindi talaga siya biro, pero dapat I would look forward talaga na successful ang acquaintance party. We had a lot of fun kasi one day lang yun, pero we should definitely or we should cherish talaga those 6 hours na nandun kami, magtawanan, magkain, and mag-party kasi after nyan, after intrams, balik na ulit sa dati about studying. And ang plano ko pala tomorrow po guys is I would definitely bring up some of my friends and si Rap. I would definitely bring them up here sa live ko, and not live! Hindi man ako TikTok. Here sa vlog ko, I will let them be part of my life kasi I would definitely want to make some memories with them kasi iba talaga ang college life. By the way, this is my second time po na mag-attend ng acquaintance. I say second courser kasi second courser ako. Every time na may maririnig po ako na anything about acquaintance or anything about school activities, nare-reminisce yung sa utak ko na like how I wish to be part of that. Kasi even though 4 times kami mag-acquaintance for the whole college life, pero every time na nandoon yung date na yun na mag-acquaintance kami or mag-party-party, parang nare-recall yung mga memories ko dati back when I was still in college, yung first degree ko pa. Like yung laughter, yung memories, yung sayaw-sayaw, yung food, syempre. Ayun, wala talaga akong ibang marereminisce or wala talaga akong ibang mafe-feel kundi happiness, the nostalgia, yung parang, yung parang gusto kong ma-experience ulit what acquaintance looks like and how it feels to be part of that acquaintance party. Kasi guys, you know, college life is not just about hardships, not just about your cries, your blood, sweat, and tears, pero yung college life nyo, even though 4 years lang yan, but hindi makukumpleto ang yin and yang principle kung walang kasiyahan. Hindi pwede puro hardships lahat. Kasi like, part of the journey pa rin ang magiging masaya kayo. Kasi maayos ang redems nyo, mataas ang exams nyo, ang acquaintance yung intrams nyo. That would be very much monumental to hear po. Guys, enough na muna siguro ako of my talking, but still, I will definitely, you know, enjoy the rest of the day tomorrow and yung intrams next week. And then, balik na naman tayo sa klase nating. The theme tomorrow is Dark Academia. Yung parang siyang Harry Potter vibes, pero still, or shall we say, medyo may pagka-corporate siya. Oo, I guess. Pero medyo yung pagka-aesthetic gamay na inanagod. Basta di na ko maano diri basta ayun lang. Pero if you would really search Dark Academia sa Google, marami yan. If you know what I mean, please search doon sa google.com. Gulu-gulu? Oh. Gulu-gulay? Promise. Magbabalik na talaga ako sa YouTube for good. Meron pala akong susuotin. Ito na talaga, promise. May plan na talaga ko na isusuot for tomorrow. But hindi talaga ako marunong magplansya. Although gusto ko talaga magplansya, pero I needed my mama's help talaga na magplansya. Kasi okay lang, palabha lang jud ko. Ayaw jud ko paplansya ha. Kay tendency like tangaon man gud ko na pagkatao. Sometimes masunog na ako ang mga plansya na ako. So guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon kung anong susuotin ko for tomorrow. And excited na ako na susuotin ko yan kasi grabe talaga yung memories. Mababalik talaga sa akin. Yung last pala talaga na ano ko ng acquaintance is way back 2017. 2025 na ngayon, 8 years ago. Kidding aside po guys, please subscribe kayo here and follow nyo ako and i-like na lang rin ang video kasi ito siguro this would be the very first video ko for this year kasi wala talaga akong upload ng mga vids aside sa mga clips na lang or mga shorts na sasabihin natin na yung nagdagandagan ako, yung mga friends ko from my running team. Ito na talaga, please abangan nyo yung outfit reveal ko. Char lang. Sinadya ko talaga na hindi talaga ako magpagupit kasi although gusto ko talaga magpagupit pero grabe talaga yung guardian angel ko pa din, demon ko here. Nanaig yung demon side ko na, huy dong, ayos sa pagupit dong kay napaka-acquaintance ugma. So tama rin siya at the same time kasi may ano talaga ako tomorrow, may projection ako of what I look like talaga tomorrow. Gusto kong magbukang cute kahit self-proclaimed cute ako, char lang. Yun na talaga. Here will kidding aside, promise na ito na talaga ang outfit reveal ko and char lang, hindi clothes reveal lang god in 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, good morning. Kakagising ko lang po and it's 7:20 something. And ayun, laban. Magkape muna tayo ngayon. Breakfast para goods tayo mamaya. Hindi tayo hilo-hiluhin. And ito na talaga po yung sinasabi ko kahapon pa na ipapakita ko anong isusuot ko. Before all of that things, all of those, yeah. Guys, magkape muna ako here and mag-eat muna. Pesata for us to have the energy needed for later. Bili rin si mama ng puto maya for us din here and kain tayo. Sa inyong first bite sige na. Inyong first bite ba? All we have to do right now po is to prepare everything before 4 in the afternoon kasi 4 in the afternoon mag-start. And dapat nakapag-prepare na kami, naka-aesthetic na kami, and all the other stuff na dapat talaga need namin i-prepare for tonight. Sabi ko yesterday po guys, hindi na ako magpapagupit, and magka-cut ako ng nails ko, and mag-shine ako ng shoes ko. Na-plancha naman rin yung kahapon. May post pala ako na cover pic here na inspired by the life of a showgirl ni Taylor Swift. So, ayan. Tagal pa ng album ni Taylor. Yatay man yun. So, ayun. Mag-antay na lang tayo for October 3 for her album, The Life of a Showgirl. Nakapag-cut na rin ako ng nails ko. gagawin ko na naman po yung pang color ko ng sapatos. Hindi pala color, pang shine pala yun. Baba na po ako sa condo and bibili po ako ng sabon ko kasi wala na akong pangligo. Guys, ground floor na ako and so yan guys, nasa 7-Eleven na po ako. So pasok tayo. Guys, nakabili na ako and magpunta pa ako sa counter for bili. Kabay na po ako ng sabon ko and deodorant ko and yun, wala pa talaga ako nakapunta ng grocery para magbili ng yung alam mo yung roll on na something and yung favorite kong Kojisan for now, Bioderm sa tawon tanong. Kakabalik na ako sa elevator ng condo and tingnan niyo naman po ano pa kadugay. Wait na lang po ako, sinong mauna dito, yun ba or yun? Antayin ko po si Rap and si Riza para makapag-prepare naman po kami doon sa condo, makapagligo man, makapag-makeup or mag-plancha no whatever, basta ayun. Malapit na kasi ang alas 4 ng hapon, I guess, or malayo-layo pa. It's almost 8 pa in the morning. Today, yeah. Aside sa announcement ko na magbalik ako ng workouts, it would also be a getting ready with me or get ready with me vlog kasi acquaintance na mamayang hapon and laban tayo for that. Shine na rin po ako ng shoes ko by using this one. Ayan siya. Wait lang, ayan. Focus natin sa camera, ayun. Guys, dapat maganda ang pagkakalagay ko ng shoe shiner sa shoes ko kasi acquaintance yung mamaya, expected na goods kayo ang mga sanina na to, ang mga wow nina na to. Kay gabi jud ang shoes jud, wow factor jud. Nang lagot ako ng shoes, magpalit jud. Dapat i-shine ko rin itong shoes ko ngayon para magamit ko later. And guys, yan yung before nitong shoes ko. Hindi ko pa siya nalagyan ng shoe shiner and medyo nagkakaano pa yung mga dust and whatever that may be sa loob ng shoes ko sa labas as well. So ayun, lalagyan na natin ng shoe shiner, promise. Guys, nag-ano na ako ng shoes ko ngayon and ayun, dapat maganda talaga ang output nito. Kung hindi na lang talaga ako mag-shoe char. Kasi ito na pala yung result na nalagyan ko na po ng shoe shiner yung mga shoes ko and laban tayo. Ipapainit ko na lang muna ito sa labas para goods tayo and I will just divert myself into like marami pa akong gagawin. Ganun. Guys, it's 11:27 in this, yeah. So, alin, mag-prepare na tayo ngayon para goods tayo mamaya. And then, maghinahinay na taog, lihok sa itong mga dapat ilihok. Totoo na talaga ito, maliligo na talaga ako kasi pupunta si Rap and si Riza here for the makeup and whatever that may be. So, ayun, mag-prepare rin kaming tatlo here for the acquaintance doon sa SM Lanang. And, ayun, bye. And by the way, nakita nyo po ang SM Lanang from here sa view ng condo. Ayun siya, oh. Yun siya. Yun. Ayan. Diyan kami pupunta later sa SMX Convention Center for the acquaintance party. Marami kami doon. Lahat kami mga nursing students nandoon. And we'll just have a good Sunday evening. And ayun, laban tayo for. Kita niyo naman po ang view kanina. Nandoon po yung SM Lanang. So, June kami pupunta para sa acquaintance party namin until 10 yata or 11 in the evening. Pero sige lang, we'll just have a good time. And by the way, kita pa lang Samal doon, oh. Nakikita ko. Nandoon yung Pearl Farm, char lang. Yung Paradise Bay, nandoon, char lang. Pero na-miss ko talaga mag-Samal. Yung last na punta ko ng Samal kasi nag-bike ako ng 70+ kilometers. I forgot what date it is. Pero yun. In a more serious note talaga guys, maliligo na talaga ako, promise. Bye-bye. So pala ito. Yan guys, mangita mixod and for now. Hey. Oh yan guys. Hey. Oy, di joke kabalo magtong sisig po ako ang giano ni Kuya. Then magbili pa siguro ako gulay for syrup at nagpalit pag unsa and then ambot wala ko kana. Guys, papunta na kami sa SMX ni Rap and ni Riz. Hoy, nag-vlog ako. Hi. So ayun, pupunta kami ng SMX for the acquaintance since doon daw i-held. So guys, mag-sharon na tadaan. Hoy! here na kami sa SM Lanang and we are going to SMX Convention Center para doon mag-attendance and whatever. So mag-elevator kami. SMX is here. We're here dahil at SMX. Sorry guys. Here na ako and si Rap and si Riz sa SM, and yes, we are going to, you know, spend some time. Mga pa-photo booth later on if you wanted to take some photos. Yan rin pala ako and si Rap and si Riz and kami lahat dito ng ganito na parang tag something for the whole occasion. Yan. Guys, it's very nice. Nice good ang guys, ang atake, all the black. Nice siya, may it's like it's giving the Tortured Poets department and reputation because hehe. Guys, here na kami sa SMX with my classmates, si Avena, si Igor and si Miss Jenny. For, you know, basta nag-vlog ko karon guys kay paano i-upload ako ni sa YouTube nako. Maka-disturb mo eh. Kaya gani sir. Dili oy, grabe sad kami naman pud sa dito. So, hi mga people. Hi. Oh, hi kay sa vlog. Si Daniel and Angelo. Hi. So, ako na nag-hi huy buwang. Ay, na-here pala sila Zing, si Aaron and si Angeline. Hi sa vlog. Nag-vlog ko karon guys kaya mas okay na yun. Nice na. Gitangan mo yung necktie? Yes. Hey Gab. Gab. Come and dance with me. I'm levitating. So busy ang duha dire. So mangita tag mga kaila na to from here. So ayun sila. Wait lang. Standing there. See the light, see the party. So kana si Igor gi-picture maayo diri ni Riza, haha, laban mo dira, and si Avena di jud siya gusto. Ambot niya, wa jud ko kabalon sa rason aning dili. Ay, men specific day. Listen to the kind of music she doesn't. She'll never know your story like I do. Hey, cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's got to me. It's been here the whole time. Hi! By the way guys, I'm here making this vlog kasi nandito my friend kasi ako, si Allen, si Erps. Hi sa vlog. Nag-vlog ko karon. For a while. Hi friends! Hi Sai! Hi sa vlog! Hi! So yun sila mga friends ko from BSN 1D. So ayan. Ganin mo.
Sila Jojo nagangay-langay.
Yan. Ayun si ay kani sila sila Kabel. Hi Miss Angel. Hi sa vlog. Hi Miss Angel. Hi Miss Clems. Hello, hi sa vlog.
Hello guys.
I-upload ko to sa YouTube ya. Yeah. Like memories good. I-upload ko to siya sa YouTube. Saan mo section gani? Pero wait ka lang sa kansi mong good ba?
Kami na yun. Wow, sabay mang ganit na tong katong
orientation. So, hi guys! Hi sa vlog! So, yun. Yay! Hi, Gab. Hello. Yay! Nanajud si Miles. Hi sa vlog. So, yun. Nanang, kompleto na mi. Gaya. May pagpapapin na lang pa. Hi, Miles! Delms? Hi! Hi, Delms! Hi sa vlog! Hello! So, ayun. Hi, guys! Hi sa vlog! Hi sa vlog! Ay, nag-vlog ko karon. Kaya ano? Angelo! Hi, guys! Hi sa vlog! Ay, sa camera po na, sir. Hi, sir! Hello, sir! Nag-vlog ko po, sir. I don't like it. Oh, I love it. Kapila ko rin kayo dito sa video. This is more than a typical kind.
Ay lang, i-isbog sila. Isbog na lang nakapara, dili maglibog-libog. Yes.
Lagi siya gandi.
Kasbita niya. Ang bag niya ano?
Subok ko ko isa.
Ang bag nila Arwin, isbog.
Good evening, everybody. We would like to welcome everyone, our guests, and welcome to the Nursing Acquaintance Night 2025. To all our guests, please make sure to register your names at the registration area so that you can be included with our raffle draw. We have raffle prizes for our Nursing Acquaintance Night 2025.
Ay, Grace, ikaw, Avena, ikaw dira, nagsibog. Nag-ano ta, rotate. Nag-rotate gamay. Counter tako. Yeah. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring, don't be done, walk away, you know. after a long, like, how should I say this? Like, long time na hindi po talaga ako nakapag-attend ng acquaintance. Yun, like, we had fun, we had some things, we had memories, and we made friends rin kasi marami rin ako na friend po. Ganito rin siya, guys. Yung nag-quiz bee pala kanina, tapos timing talaga yung report ko sa TFN, yung kung sino si Dorothea Orem. Then, nag-answer ako na yung self-care deficit theory ni Orem. Nakasabi ko ako sa mic doon na yung sa mic mismo ng na report man ako na. Hoy! Thank you NSC po sa pag-give nito sa akin. And magagamit ko ito, especially RLE and mga experiment namin. Biochem! Wala po ko nag-expect po guys na ko prize, face mask. Kailangan to sa Anafi and Biochem na lab. Oo. The acquaintance party po is wala jud ko laing maingon, but it's fun, it's memories, and grabe talaga yung food, masarap talaga, and yung bondings with other levels, like memorable talaga siya. That's my first acquaintance in over 8 years, and grabe, same level of happiness, same level of fun talagang ko. So looking forward to more acquaintances. And wait lang, mag-ilis ako guys, kay magchika-chika pa ta diri na vlog ha. Here pa rin ako sa condo ngayon. It's Wednesday morning. I forgot what time is it. Pero ayun, andito po sa akin ang mga t-shirts ng classmates ko. And sa akin rin. So, ganito lang ako for now. Para doon ako mag-ilis o shirt. Andito po ako sa elevator ngayon. And like hindi pagod ako naka-comb ng hair ko. And ayun, nagdali-dali kaya attendance yung tawon, char lang. So ayun, mag-attendance po ako right na pagpunta ko doon sa school para goods time nato. Ayun guys, here ako sa Abriza ngayon, nagdali-dali ko blackout yung tawon, napakoy-dala ng mga t-shirts. Kasi gusto maglibre sa ako sa Greenwich. Tada, libre lang ko, wings lang. Hey, we're close po to school. sorry. So, laban ta dira, and still dalagyapon ako ang mga things, especially the shirts para good pick kaayo here the fit. And yun ang school yung may 10th floor na building sa med building, hapit na jud sa entrance and for a while. Hi Miss Tin, Miss Jen, and Miss Franz. Hey, it's the first day of the intrams and labanta for that, and good luck. Behind the scenes si Miles. Hi Jen. My insecurity. Hi Kay.
Pero mas mapa ko, Miles.
Napa ako mga classmates dira uban. So, yes. Nag-vlog ko karon
Vlog mo, sir? Hi, vlog!
Nagulat yapon ni sa mga classmates for now. Nakasuot na ko og unsa namo, ay term shirt. Guys, nagbili rin ako ng ham and cheese sandwich with extra cheese sauce para kay wa magkuko na ni mahawgod. So, unsa jud ta? Kauta aron dito ma brother no. Naday ko i-fasi na events later. Ako ang fasi sa impromptu sa nursing. So, i-train ko na ko tong ako ang participant, and then para laban ta. Diri sa later man yung sabot.
Parents, we care for your safety. Please be ready as we will be arriving at DLSF Airport. Thank you.
Na po day pa photo booth diri 200 per session dira, and mga clothes rin doon. 1 in the afternoon and karon pa ko mag-lunch. And ako diri as a shake, mag-ano ko. Hi po, miss. Mango banana po na 16 ounce na walang sugar. Still waiting, magtabi-tabi sa ta. Pero bitaw, busy ako for this day kasi we have mga things to consider. Naging part ako ng food committee and sa communications committee, and marami pa ako mga things to basta marami akong things sa gagawin for intrams. Magpasi rin po ako for impromptu speaking for intramurals. And grabe, sila kong anak. Back and forth.
Basi dili ma-appeal sa letter.
If you join, your attendance will not be valid letter.
Kaya nabasa na naman kay Dean. So, okay, if
They pass the letter to the dean's office.
So, if okay lang sa imuha na mag-attendance yapon ka, pero foodcom yapon ka. Oo, foodcom yapon ka, pero dili ka ma-appeal sa letter.
Yes, you understand? You can join.
Patunggal na to si Omar.
You listen to her.
What state are you in?
Where am I from?
Second year. Yes, fresh.
Ay, gago!
Below the belt. Asterisk. English. You're on stereo. You're on stereo. You know that?
Yeah, stereo technique.
No! Take the 10.
Nagtawag ka o? Day 2. Okay. Yeah, it's the second day of the intrams and tipo sa doon.
LMD versus Dentistry 1.
It's a paradise.
This is not the party. Don't blame me, love, make me crazy if it doesn't do it to me right. Love, take me my time, it's my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. Don't blame me, love, make me crazy if it doesn't do it to me right. Love, take me my time, it's my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life.
Last day ng intrams, it's October 4. Yun. Wala, lutang ako. Punta kami sa Almendras Gym kasi doon i-held yung last day and nag-cardigan lang for the charm. Red and blue ako for today's value. And yan, kita mo ka ko doon. Papunta na ako sa Almendras Gym kasi doon ang last day ng intram. And it's 8 in the morning, init na jud. Silang. And may nag-bulldozer dito or jackhammer. I don't know. Pero still, sabak. On my way na jud, malapit na tayo sa Almendras Gym. Sa mukha sa kong buhok, uy. Lagot ako. Medyo good. Guys, malapit na po talaga ako sa Almendras. Mga ilang lakang na lang. And ayun, we'll have to go and enjoy the last day kay nagana po tag-assignment. Almendras is here. I'm here dayat Almendras. So yun, Labarn. So ayan guys, here na ako sa Almendras and medyo sabad yun here and marami na mga peoplers nasa taas sa bleachers and ayun.
strength, fragile yet full of promise. The parents guarded them with love, waiting for the future to unfold. But fate might curve only for your hatched, and so the parents' pride belonged to them. The last two were left untouched, unseen, forgotten in silence. Time passed, his plans were only to the children born. But destiny is never late. When the world least expected, the silence will. From the shadows merged two falcons, not weak, not forgotten, but chosen. Born not early, not late, but right on time.
Sa mukhang reto eh.
The skies thunder as falcon clash against falcon. Yet faithful, the two forgotten yoke with strength and speed. Sharper, faster, greater than the rest. We were not ordinary falcons, we were destiny chosen. And so the battle ended. The forgotten were forgotten no more. They rose not as shadows, but as champions. Stronger, bolder, the falcons destined to soar highest of all. Behold, the true falcons, unmatched in strength, unshaken in flight, and unstoppable in their rise.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my favorite number 3 from Nursing Hip Hop Kids.
And unity Yeah. Behold the emblem, the eagle of great song. It is golden. Every father a symbol of courage. Every soul. 2. So here we go. Sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng champion natin for the year 2025? First up, let's hear from Midwifery. Make some noise! How about from the IMT? Make some noise! And of course, from the nursing department, make some noise! Partner,
Sino kaya?
this is it.
This is it. The moment of truth.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now, who will go home a certificate, a plaque of recognition, our champion for our Intramurals 2025 cheer dance competition. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion, none other than congratulations, Sydney!
Congratulations! You got home! Ellen! Trophy gold! Females competition!
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up to our cheer dance champion 2025. We have the Nurses!